Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Hi everyone, let's take a look on what's going to happen on Imbewu from 18 to 21 May 2021. On Tuesday 18 May, Thokozile is almost caught at Phakate's church in her rushed state. She drops a package of muti. On Wednesday 19 May 2021, Baby Mepo goes missing. Mandlovu is desperate to track down Walter's family before he passes away. On Thursday 20 May, Kululeko blames Fikile for Mepo's missing and Zitulele fails to convince Nokuzola to return to the Bengu house. On Friday 21 May, Mazuli is on Thokozile's trial and asks Menzi for help. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more episodes on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.